blood that flowed from Jesus' side the day that he was crucified flowed into my life and saved my soul. It strengthens every weakness and heals all my diseases. I know no other power on which to call. I plead the blood. I plead the blood, Jesus' blood. When my soul is in distress, I plead the blood. For success in every battle, Satan's plans unravel. When the saints of God stand up and plead the blood. Difficulties every day seem to undermine my faith, but the blood restores my hope and trust. Without it I'm defenseless, destitute and powerless. Lord, please cover me, anoint my life. I plead the blood.